So, Caitlin, what's going to happen today?
When we push the button, they make me go up.
Yeah, but what are you here for?
Stomp, 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 stomp.
What are you here for? What are you going to get done?
Papa!
And how are they going to do it?
They're gonna raise the bed up.
They're going to raise the bed up and get your tonsils out?
Yeah.
But how are they actually going to get the tonsils out of your mouth?
They just have to use a knife.
Oh. Are you going to be sleeping?
Yeah.
Are you excited or nervous? What does that mean?
I hear stomping. The last time when I was in my bed, I heard stomp. Stomp, stomp. And then I hear the elevator. Hey, I'm way above the ground. I can't even see Kelly.
You want to try to show me your tonsils one last time before you... Oh, you can't see in there, but that's good. Say, see you later, alligator.